Chelsea-sized dolls. Here's what you need. You'll need 2 long rectangles of foam, the size that you want. If it's going to be for Big or for Chelsea, you need 2 of these rounded, one side rounded rectangles or squares. You need this rectangle with these on the side. You need two of them, mini sized of these. You need this long, thick rectangle. You need this trapezoid rounded out on that side. You need a really fat rectangle, and another fat rectangle. Okay, make sure your parents hot glue it for you, and let's start crafting. First, you're going to take the rounded out rectangle on one side here. Okay, and then you're going to glue it along the edge. And make sure your parents get it stable, and make sure they do it quickly so that it will not dry quick. And remember her finger again. Better luck next time. Make sure your parents glue all the way. Glue along the rectangle. Just like this. I think this is a backpack. What we are making, yeah, it's a backpack. Like that. And then you're going to do the same thing with the other one. Just like that. Oh my gosh, I could smell the glue. I hate the smell of glue. It's like burning. Just like this. Make sure you get the thick kind or it will not work. Okay, make sure it's stable where you want. Okay. And then you're going to take the yellow piece for the bottom, yellow rectangle that we have. It can be the color of your choice, but you're going to take, if you're doing the same exact stuff as we do, you're going to take the yellow rectangle, glue it on just like this. Just like that. It looks so cute so far. Okay, next we're going to take our rounded out thing for the pocket. I hate to say rounded out rectangles because it just makes me tired. You're just gonna glue it on. You don't have to glue it on like they would in real life. It's just details. Gonna do it just like that. Glue it on both sides. It looks really, really cute. Like that, and then going to take this weird piece that I can't really describe well. It's gonna be right on top. Here's how you're going to do it. You're just going to glue on those square sides. It's going to be one side by one side. Like that. I love it already. You can decorate her gems when you're done. Okay, you're going to take the other rectangle, your color, your choice, or if you did it purple, then you're going to take the purple rectangle and put it as the pocket for this. And then you're going to take the pocket, another pocket. It's going to be double pocket. Just like this. And then we're going to take the long rectangles and glue them on. Follow us how to do it. Okay, first, my mom will glue it both sides of the ends. You're going to, whenever it's like up, you're going to glue it just like this. This is a very easy craft. I love it so much. It looks so cute. I'm gonna glue it on just like that. Do the same thing on the other side. We're working with glitter foam because I love glitter so much. Make sure it's stable and dry enough so that you can play with it. It dries pretty quick, so I bet you won't have any problems. Okay. Let's test it out on her. Okay, here's how you're going to do it. You're just going to get her arms like this. This is troubling. This is hard so far because I think the backpack was too thick for her arms. Okay, that's the backpack. Now she's going to go to school. In the other video, we made a different design backpack for the regular size Barbie dolls. Here's how it looks on her. I love it. Okay, it's the end of the video now. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, and leave a like. Comment down below. Bye!